want to set the record clear that my appointment, or Muranga Seal's appointment of Hussein Mohammed, still stands, and Hussein Mohammed will turn up on Saturday for the AGM, unless he declines to attend. But as far as I am concerned, he is our delegate for the meeting, and no one is going to change that.
It is definitely not lost to us that my presence and my football activities recently have sent jitters and worrying some. But that is digressing. I have not declared I'm running for any seat anywhere, and I can challenge anybody to show me where I've declared I'm running for anything. But however, regardless of what the political environment is like, it does not entitle anybody to sort of intimidate, coerce, blackmail, threaten any of us.
Nayo kabuni ya gari ya